Think about nobody else. They're not coherent to what's going on around them. They think everything is a game. Look at what they did. They lit buses on fire, limousines on fire.
So they have two shows coming to Bay at the SAP Center in Oracle. Plus, you're in to win a meet and greet. Stick around. The windows tickets 9:30.
Wisconsin, happening in July 13th to 15th. The complete lineup is at rock-fest.com. Now, in the last couple of days, I mentioned that after years of mispronouncing Cadat, that nobody from Cadat actually corrected me. Now, I just want to say that I've moved past this, okay? I'm over it, and I hold no grudges toward the people of Cadat. Although I did get a message from somebody on Snapchat who said that the people of Cadat did...
Please try again.
Fishing here is just phenomenal. The fishing is great in the middle of downtown LA, water sunset.
And if you go, you have a chance at a 50-pounder. The California Ghetto Carping Club is strictly catch and release.
So that massive huggable fish is still swimming at the bottom of MacArthur Park Lake right now, getting fatter by the day.
They say everything can be replaced.
Nina Simone was the famous singer, pianist, and sometimes civil rights activist who made her mark in the 1950s and 60s.